In the kaleidoscope of modern dietary trends, one movement shines brightly, capturing the imaginations of health enthusiasts, environmental advocates, and culinary adventurers alike: plant-based eating. It's not just a diet, it's a statement, a paradigm shift challenging conventional wisdom about food and nourishment. But amidst the fervor and fervent debates, one question looms large. Is plant-based eating truly a revolution in the making, or merely a passing fancy? Let's peel back the layers of this nutritional onion to uncover the truth about plant-powered living. Strap in as we embark on a journey through the lush landscapes of health benefits, ethical considerations, culinary creativity, and global impact. It's time to separate the sprouts from the spinach and discern whether the rise of plant-based eating is a seismic shift or merely a ripple in the dietary pond. Despite the ongoing debate, there are several compelling factors that contribute to the growing appeal and adoption of plant-based diets. Health benefits of plant-based eating. One of the primary reasons driving the interest in plant-based eating is its array of health benefits. Research consistently demonstrates that diets rich in plant foods are associated with lower risks of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. The abundance of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber in plant-based foods promotes overall well-being and longevity. Environmental impact of plant-based diets. Beyond personal health, the environmental implications of dietary choices are increasingly recognized. Animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. In contrast, plant-based diets have a considerably lower environmental footprint, making them a more sustainable choice for mitigating climate change and preserving natural resources. Ethical considerations and animal welfare. For many individuals, the decision to adopt a plant-based diet is driven by ethical concerns about animal welfare. The industrialized farming of animals often involves practices that compromise animal welfare, prompting individuals to align their dietary choices with their values of compassion and respect for all living beings. Addressing nutritional concerns. Despite concerns about nutrient adequacy, plant-based diets can provide all essential nutrients with proper planning. Plant-based sources offer ample protein, iron, calcium, and vitamin B12, supplemented by fortified foods and supplements as needed to ensure optimal nutrition. Culinary diversity and creativity. Plant-based eating encourages culinary exploration and creativity, offering a diverse array of ingredients and cooking techniques to create delicious and satisfying meals. From vibrant salads to hearty grain bowls, plant-based cuisine appeals to a wide range of tastes and preferences, making it accessible and enjoyable for individuals at all levels of culinary expertise. Economic considerations and accessibility. Contrary to misconceptions, plant-based eating can be affordable and accessible, with staples like beans, rice, and seasonal produce serving as budget-friendly options. The growing availability of plant-based products in supermarkets, restaurants, and food delivery services further facilitates adoption and integration into daily life. Lifestyle factors and social dynamics. Adopting a plant-based lifestyle may influence social dynamics and daily routines, requiring communication and planning to navigate social gatherings and dining out. Despite potential challenges, many individuals find that the benefits of plant-based eating extend beyond personal health to encompass improved relationships and overall well-being. Longevity and sustainability of the plant-based movement. As plant-based eating gains momentum and mainstream acceptance, its longevity and sustainability come into question. However, with increasing awareness of its benefits and advocacy for systemic change, the plant-based movement shows no signs of fading. Whether revolutionary or temporary, plant-based eating has sparked important conversations and inspired positive changes in our relationship with food and the world around us. In conclusion, the truth about plant-based eating lies in its multifaceted impact on health, the environment, ethics, and culinary culture. While debates about its longevity persist, the growing body of evidence supporting its benefits suggests that plant-based eating is not merely a trend, but a significant and enduring shift in dietary preferences and values. As individuals, communities, and institutions continue to embrace plant-based diets, the potential for transformative change in our food systems and collective well-being becomes increasingly apparent.